well, 51st upload the mini jump was just now. The question is if the symmetry in battery power will happen. So I don't know. I wanted to discuss this. So it's just I don't know how to stop it. It's just two snails mating. The Weinbergschnecken. They would actually be quite good to eat. Yeah, it went down to the symmetry. So, and then still quite. So then I wanted to show, well, SRF. I will not go for a short. So like there was a mountain part crashing in the Wallis Nestle, not in good, like so the well there was this article about the heart somewhere. So bees sting whomever they like and when they, so every bee decides on its own. There is no like women live longer but have more problems when it comes to the corpus in corpore mente sana. So they are probably crazier. As I mean, this is all like, and then the first time how a heart is formed is, yeah. So what more was, so they are protected. You are not really allowed to eat them, but yeah, the snails. There was yeah. So the most important, like so this veni vidi 693 is of course this greeting is peace and victory, right? So this is a lot, yeah, and it's like, yes, of course, Bach as well. Without Jesus, it would not have been possible, and the same for me. But for humanity, this project will bring it so much more forwards. And so it's like, even tomorrow is Tuesday again with Erich Kästner, so der Emil und die Detektive, the Swiss-German version. So there, like, the grandmother at the end, oder der Kleinziehstück ist der grösste. And what I did, oder this Telefonzentrale, data science stuff, it's just annoying. I understood someone had to do it as long due this update oder for like, yeah, and even now Jesus can just do veni vidi 693, so that's not like not bad at all. So I will go for the omega